Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the easy variables. Power cycle your router and the device experiencing DLS lag, and wait about 60 seconds so cache is clear. Once done, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, because Wi-Fi adds jitter and packet loss. That often explains lag spikes. Make sure to close background downloads, game updaters, and streaming apps so your bandwidth is not saturated, and monitor whether latency drops immediately. Next, you tune the network. Open your router settings and enable quality of service, prioritizing the device or port used by DLS so real-time packets get preference. Adjust MTU to a conservative value like 1400 if you see fragmentation. That reduces retransmits which cause lag. Make sure firmware and NIC drivers are up to date. Updates often fix stability bugs. After each change, reboot the router and test to confirm improvements before moving on. For persistent DLS lag, you escalate. Run traceroute and continuous ping to the service to find specific hops with packet loss or high latency, because knowing where the problem lies tells you whether it's local or upstream. If ISP routing is the culprit, try a reputable VPN or alternate DNS to route around bad paths. If none of this works, switch to another DLS server or contact your ISP with the traceroute and ping logs so they can resolve upstream issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.